Hey guys, today we are at Delilah's first annual Barbecue and Beer Fest, located at Scofflaw Brewery in the Upper West Side. Whew, it's so much happening today. We have a number of pit masters that have come to Atlanta from all over the country. Our featured pit master is Kevin Bludso, who has joined us from Compton, California and Corsicana, Texas. We have Thyron Big T TNT Barbecue, who won the second season of Netflix's Barbecue Showdown. We have Butter Knife Shawty from right here in Atlanta, Georgia, as well as a number of other folks who are here today serving a variety of meats. So I just finished eating some amazing smoked chicken. We have a whole pig, we have sausage and brisket and ribs, everything that you can think of, but these guys are masters at it. And then, of course, my mom, Auntie Delilah, she is pulling in with the sides for today. And so we have a variety. People are here hanging out. We will be here until it is dark outside, enjoying this beautiful weather. And we are just so glad that we have been able to do this, and we look forward to next year as well.
And this is my daughter, Delilah. I don't know where is Jason, my son-in-law. I really want to say thank you to each of the pit masters that have participated in making this event more than what I imagined. I said I want to bring the masters of the profession here to Atlanta, and we accomplished that.
You did so, man?
Oh, yes!
James Beard Award-winning. Amazon #1 book seller. He beat out Dr. Seuss in June. He's a philanthropist. He's the baddest thing moving from Compton to Corsicana. Mr. Kevin Bludso.
Let me tell you something. There is nobody that can bring us all together like this woman did. This woman is from Philly, but she's Atlanta. You guys are so lucky to have her. So please, one time, give it up for the queen, Auntie, Miss Delilah.